Hi everyone, this is Cody Bourne. We're going to walk through a quick demo of the NFT QR code dispenser. So right now I have on my phone Opera installed. It's a browser with a QR code reader. I'm going to scan the QR code from the demo, and this is going to direct me to a website that I have set up. The website is going to read the Web3 wallet that Opera has injected, so I can see the Ethereum address of the user. And then I take that Ethereum address and I send it over to a Logic app that I have set up in Azure. And the Logic app is going to generate a new NFT and then return to the user the link in OpenSea where that NFT can be found. So you can see that the NFT has been generated, and now the user is being redirected to OpenSea to be able to view the asset. And so this is just an asset that I've created for the demo. It's called Crypto Stickers. Each time you scan the QR code, you'll get a different sticker. So it's being pulled from a queue that I have set up in Azure. And each time it is pulled, it's going to grab a different metadata. So you'll see different images and different attributes. So you see here, this is the sticker, and then below the type of the sticker is a vinyl sticker. That's it.